Okay, hello guys. I have decided to start doing a series where I review any hotel room I stay in. So, this is the hotel we're at, La Quinta. We're on the second floor, and this is what you see from this point of the door. You come in, open this up. This is a little closet. Pretty nice size. Then once you come in the door, you see a microwave, coffee bar, refrigerator. The refrigerator is pretty nice and very cold, I must say. Then you turn to the right and you have the bathroom. It's double doors. You come in, they can close like this. I usually don't close them both all the way. Then you have your standard shower and toilet. It's just a standard shower. Has a railing for you to hold on to. And then you come out. There's a mirror there. And there's the TV. There's a nice little workspace if you're traveling for work. The air condition. The bed. And then if you pan over this way, this is a sleeper couch. And then, yeah. And this is the view you get from this room. If you look this way, it's right next to the Orlando Eye. You can't really see that from here, but I'm sure if you ask, they'll give you a view. But this is the whole room. It's not bad. It's not bad quality at all. It's La Quinta and Windham together. So, but it's pretty nice. And also they are pet friendly and, yeah, they're pet friendly and your pets stay for free. You can't have more than 2. And that's it. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.